Is everything alright? Okay. Johnny, alright? Boom! Shee!
A car in front suddenly turned right without checking behind, cutting across the lane. The car... Thankfully, no collision occurred.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
A moving car was driving steadily down the road when a parked car suddenly pulled out without warning. The two vehicles collided immediately due to the unexpected turn. A car was rashly weaving through traffic on a busy road, ignoring signals and lane discipline. Nearby drivers braked suddenly to avoid accidents.
What the fuck?
A car and a mini-truck collided at a turn due to confusion over the right-of-way. Both vehicles misjudged each other's move, leading to the crash.
Holy shit!
A car speeding at a high rate collided with another vehicle while taking a turn. The impact was severe due to the excessive speed and lack of control. A biker was rashly zigzagging through traffic when a car, seemingly out of anger, intentionally collided with him. The reckless behavior from both sides led to a dangerous situation.
Whoa!
A small mini-truck was being in circles just for fun, and the driver lost control. Suddenly, it flipped onto its side, startling everyone around.
Holy shit. Next on the Roland Ryan show.
A car was speeding down the road when the vehicle in front suddenly applied brakes. Unable to stop in time, the speeding car crashed into it from behind.
Oh shit! Big power is real.
Fucking Portland, they do this kind of shit.
Unable to stop in time, the vehicle crashed into several parked cars behind it.
Bam! Nothing but horsepower. Check it out.
Ahora. Date rápido porque ahora es. Vea este como cayó allá.
A black car slowly moved forward and slightly touched the white car parked in front. The impact was minor, causing barely any visible damage. A car was speeding down the road when the vehicle in front suddenly applied brakes. Unable to stop in time, the speeding car crashed into it from behind. A car carefully made a turn on a busy road, patiently waiting for a safe gap in traffic. The driver stayed alert and moved with caution. A car was being rashly driven by its owner, swerving recklessly through traffic. It slightly crashed into a nearby police car, drawing immediate attention. A car was slowly moving out of a parking spot when a bus suddenly appeared at speed. The two collided before the driver could react, causing an unexpected accident. A car suddenly swerved in front of another car, causing a moment of panic. Luckily, the driver braked just in time, and no accident occurred. A car suddenly went out of control, swerving wildly on the road. Luckily, the driver regained control just in time, and no harm was done. A small truck loaded with wood hit a bump, causing all the logs to suddenly spill onto the road. Fortunately, no one was nearby and nothing happened.